Today, we have one of the most unique opportunities in investment markets that probably doesn't happen more than once or maybe maximum twice in an investor's lifetime. And that opportunity is silver, physical silver. Silver has moved up now to $50 again for the third time, but this is not a Maginot Line or Maginot Line, which was a fortification line that France built on the border to Germany before the Second World War. This is not a solid wall that cannot be penetrated. This is a line that being hit the third time now since 1980, 2011, and now today, 2025. And we are going to go through. We've just nudged through it now, but it's going to break through. It could be very soon, take a little bit of time still, but nevertheless, when it breaks through, it's going to go up by not just dollars, but tens of dollars very, very quickly. And I could see the 6 months silver going up by multiples. I'm not saying that to be sensational. I'm saying it because now the pattern and the history of silver tell us that silver is now going to not just explode, but catapult up to much, much higher levels. So this is an opportunity not only to preserve wealth, but also to enhance wealth substantially. So we recommend to investors to move the percentage that we have recommended before, 20-25%. You could certainly move up to 30% of the total precious metals holding. So that means 70% gold and 30% silver. For the ones who are more aggressive, I could see taking as much as temporarily 50% in silver. But that is aggressive because you then have to be expecting also massive volatility on the way up. Interesting situation because silver shortages have been there for the last 5 years. Of about 20% of the demand is actually silver that doesn't exist physically, but has to be created in the futures market. But remember, over time you cannot create silver for solar panels or for car batteries or for electrical or electronic products. It doesn't work with paper silver. You have to have real physical silver. And that silver is not going to be there at these prices. This is why we will see silver catapult from here. So this is a unique opportunity for investors to buy some physical silver now, store it outside the banking system in a safe jurisdiction, very important. And of course, you also have to have direct access to your silver. Thank you.